as Honda Vlog would say. What's cracking, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. First and foremost, I want to say thank you to each and every one of you guys that are on the channel, being very supportive and showing me the mad love that you guys have been showing me. Without you guys, I wouldn't find the true motivation to continue doing what I love to do and sharing my passion with you guys. So thank you guys for coming on board, all the new and older subscribers. You guys are the real ones. So today's video is a little different. I want to show pretty much all of the people that have not been around the first day that I bought this car. 8 months ago, a buddy of mine hit me up and he said his friend was selling this car. Given that I was the EF guy, he hit me up first, gave me his phone number. I contacted a dude and spoke about the CRX. Now, he sent me a picture. It was an interior shot of the car, and the first thing I noticed was the wing west rear bumper. Now, I know you guys are probably guessing a bumper, a body kit. Like, really, you know, that's older days type of stuff, Fast and Furious type of days. But fact is, 1999, we were into body kits way before the Fast and the Furious. So I have a lot of respect for it. And given that this car had a wing west rear bumper, you guys remembered, I was trying to put a body kit on my CRX, but I was missing a back bumper. I had the sides and I had the front, but no rear. So I was like, yo, I want the rear bumper. Dude says, no, you gotta buy the whole car. I'm like, all right, send me another picture. So he sends me a picture of the rear of the car, which shows the gold slipstreams right here. And then I said, all right, well, if there's all 4 of it plus the bumper, how much are you asking? He said, $300 the whole car. $300? Totally worth it. So I head out with the tow truck, thanks to a buddy of mine, Alex, for going out there with me and swooping up this car. I get to the dude's house. I checked it out. I said, cool. Has the bumper on it. All 4 wheels are here. One was flat. No big deal. There's some small goodies here and there. You know, DA disc brakes, complete interior, all that good jazz. But what I did notice was this car had another hood on this hood. I don't know if you guys can see these little screws. There was another hood on this hood, and when I turned to look at the hood, there was 2 scoops. I noticed a big VTEC sign. So I was like, hold on a second. You said it was a shell. He goes, yeah, the car don't run. I guess his definition of a shell and mine was different. So I'm like, hey, can I pop the hood? I popped the hood. Lo and behold, H22, complete, untouched, looks like it's been swapped many years ago. But it was an H22 swapped CRX. That was super no-brainer. I gave the guy $300. I took the car home. So I let the car sit for 2 weeks, and then I started diagnosing the car. Now, before we get into the mashup, this compilation of this car being built the first day I got it up until the first time it went down the track, I just want to quickly say that at the end of this video as well, I'm going to tally up everything that I've spent out of my pocket to build this car. Now, there were a lot of items, given that this is a budget build, a lot of items were items I had lying around the house that helped me build this car. So I'm not going to add any of those just because I didn't pay for it. A lot of stuff were just sitting around or parted out from a different car. And there was a lot of items that were sent out from you guys. So I truly appreciate it. And those items are not going to be added up to the cost of me building this car. With that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this mashup, and I'll see you at the end of this video.
Ooh, that was pretty bad. Got that all welded up. Burnt that O-ring right there. Dash 6 is welded on. So now I'm gonna reinstall this. Fuel rail. Dash 6 line. No leaks. No fuel.
Guys, we have a running H. I
can honestly say it cleaned up the carpet really nice. Alright, so here it is, all said and done, fully extended to their home location. But here it is, all bolted up. I adjusted that rod a tad bit to get this play how I want it to be. But I can't fully adjust that yet until this is all into the car, and then everything else is by the foot feel of the pedal. And then you got this herpy looking one for the new mount, which then again they are still using the stock Preload transmission mount, and it's not even fully welded. I noticed this long hairline crack right there. I don't know if you can see it. I'm gonna have to take care of that. I got this hoop, this little triangle supports, and I'm welding them with the flux core because I don't have the MIG welder. I ran out of paint just in time. Wow. Damn, the motor looks really good now that the engine bay is all nice and uniform. Definitely a 10-footer.
So if you guys made it this far in the video, I hope you guys got a rough idea on how much I have spent into this car and how far this car has made progress since the first day I bought it. Now, how I am going to calculate the cost all in total pre-turbo is including the new fender, bumper, and a set of slicks that I bought and used for the car. That tally us up to about $534. Yeah, I know, $534. That's kind of crazy to say, right? Now you are probably wondering, what about the cost of the car? So the car, I bought it for the wheels and the bumper. As mentioned very early on this video, that I didn't want the car. I just wanted the wheels and the bumper. So how I see it is, I took the wheels and the bumper off the car, and the car was free itself. So me personally, I'm not going to add the $300 to my list, and that leaves me at $534. It's crazy to say, $500 and we have a 12-second car. So this build is a great example of a budget built car, and anybody could do it. All you got to do is have a little bit of patience. Find deals like this or stuff that people are throwing away, copy for a great deal, and then putting your mind and soul into it, your time, your unused parts and stuff like that around the house, and make something like this. You can add the $300 to the list and it'll still be about $800, and that's still unbelievable as a 12-second car. So if you guys have been around up until the 20,000 subscriber mark, you guys should know that we did go turbo in this car. Now that we are turbo, we have a new set goal. The set goal is to go 10s when everything's all said and done. So here's a little kicker for you guys. I am wanting to shoot a small friendly proposal. If you guys don't know who DIY Mike is, he is building YouTube's cheapest 10-second Honda with a Del Sol called the Pink Widow. Now I am saying this with respect, and I enjoy Mike's content. I enjoyed the build of the Pink Widow. But I just want to say that when this car is all said and done, I don't think you're the cheapest 10-second Honda build on YouTube. So the proposal is, when he gets his car dialed in, and I get my car dialed in, and he touches 10s, and I do as well, I am willing to drive this car down to Vegas, which I believe is where you're located, and do a heads up. Owner the car, owner the car. So for all the people that's watching this video right now, I need you guys to do me a big favor. I am going to link Mike's channel in the description below, as well as some cards up here somewhere to his latest Pink Widow video. I need you guys to go over there, leave a comment for him, and let him know Young Static is coming for that ass. So if you guys want to see something like this go down, leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys think. So that just about wraps it up for this video, guys. I hope you now have an understanding of where this car came from and how much I bought it for and how much I have put into this. So if you guys want to see more progress updates on this CRX, that CRX, and the other CRX, and a whole bunch of other things going on this channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can get notified for every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.